After creating your Google form as a test, you are going to then take the actual test yourself. And how you'll do that is you'll click View Live Form. Now, I have already taken it, so I'm going to pretend to take it as someone else. Sample test. And I'm just going to read through and quickly take it at random. Which app is the most used? I'm going to say it's Sites. In order to invite collaborators, I know I need their email. I believe the Patriots are going to win, and I'm going to submit. So my answers are in there. And then I am going to correct my test. Now, you really want to make sure the first time you actually do it that you do put the correct answers in, as I have already done, in order to have it corrected. And this is your Google Sheet. So I just went from my Google form, clicked View Responses, and that opens automatically the spreadsheet, which it collects the data of the information from every person who took your test and puts the answers in the appropriate column. And from there, we want to grade our exam. So we have add-ons. We click add-ons, and if I did not have Flubaroo, which is going to grade my test, I would click Get Add-ons, and I'd find Flubaroo in this group of information, and I'd click it on, and I could add it as a add-on. But since I already have it, I don't need to. But it also will give you a tutorial to show you exactly how it works. So it's really nice to give you a tutorial on its own. So I'm going to click my add-on again. I'm going to click Flubaroo, and I'm going to click Regrade the assignment, because I've actually graded it once already. And erase that. And it's going to set some points for each question. So I can choose how I want to grade this and how many points I want to apply to each question. And so as I read through, I'm just gathering quick points. This one is actually one I want to skip. Identifies the student, because that one is obviously not needing any grades. It's who the kid is. Continue. And this one is how I want to click on which person had the actual correct answer. So that's me up here, and continue. And it's grading my assignment. And so it does a nice job of not only grading the assignment, but breaking it down. And it will also highlight who didn't do as well as the others. So this person got a 75%. So if you're under 75%, it's going to show up in red that will automatically indicate to the teacher that this student needs more work on the information. They clearly didn't know everything that they needed. And here is kind of showing you some really weak links, with this person only getting one question and no one getting this one right. So it's probably some questions I would want to go back and review if it was an actual important question. And the other thing is it gives you a bit of a summary of a report. Points possible, the average points, the counted submissions to make sure all of you students took your test, which you could see right here anyway, and the number of low scoring questions. And that would let you know, oh, I've got 2 questions that I really need to take a look at because not all of my students understood. And that is Flubaroo. You take those here and we can import them into PowerSchool.